Hi class, how are you doing? I'm spending a lot of time at home, probably you are too. So here's the plan. I have opened up the new class for you to take online. It's the Monday class. You can take it now, you can take it tomorrow. Just finish as best you can by Monday at 3. If you run into any problems, just contact me. I will answer you quickly, I promise. Okay? So let me show you how it's going to go. So remember that you will go to modules, or sorry, I think in yours it says home, right? So on your computer or on your phone, go to home and then always go down, down, down. Here we are, class, Monday, March 16th. You can't click up here, it'll just close it. But you want to click on the very first page, which is the plan. So here I tell you what is our plan. You're going to work on flashcards for your quiz. You're going to do your regular quiz online. You're going to look at a map and a video to see where Salva is walking in A Long Walk to Water. You're going to do an online discussion about Salva's difficult times. You're going to do some writing practice with past tense verbs, and you're going to do some vocabulary review. So those are all the pieces that you will do. Remember that every time you go to the bottom here and you click on next. Okay. So here's just a little overview. Get my head out of the way here. This thing keeps popping up down here. Just you can X or click got it so it goes away. Okay. Here we have some flashcards for you to practice. So you're going to play with these flashcards for about 10 minutes to prepare, warm up. It's part of the class. Okay. So here it says say. I can listen to it. Say. I can also flip it over. Say set. And then I'll go to the next one. Seesaw. Oh, I don't know how to say that. I can listen. Saw. Okay. So use these arrows to go to the next one. Click on the card to flip it over. All right. So that's about 10 minutes. From there, click next. Here, you're going to take your irregular past tense quiz. It'll say start quiz. I'm not going to click start quiz right now, but that's what you will do. So this is what your screen will look like. You click take the quiz. You'll have unlimited time, but it's only 5 questions, just like the quizzes we do in class. Please, please, please be honest. Do your best on your own without a book or any help. Okay? And then when you're done, it'll say submit quiz. Okay? The next piece, I have a map here for you to look about where does Salva go. Here's our Nile, here's Sudan, here's Ethiopia. So you can take a look and see where do you think he crosses the Nile and what part of the desert is he in. And then here I have a video you can play, very short video. It shows you a little bit about that desert and about the river in Sudan. Click next. Here you have a group discussion. So you've done these before. Your topic is here, so you'll read about the topic. And then you come down here and you click reply. And then you type what you want to say about the topic. It says to write for 20 minutes, so write as much as you can. Okay? When you're done, you're going to hit post. After you post, you will see your friends' posts. And then here, if you read carefully, it says you're going to reply to 4 of your classmates. So you're going to read something that your classmate says and then click reply and then reply to them. So you're going to reply to 4 people. You can find people you agree with or disagree with, or you think they have an interesting idea. Talk to them about their idea and your idea, what you have the same, what you have different, and why. Right? Okay, after the discussion, I'm going to talk to you a little bit here about past tense, so you can read that. And then here you're going to have a past tense practice assignment. It says take the quiz. It's not a quiz. I have a video already in here that explains about this, so you can read that when you get there. And then you're going to end the class today with a little bit of vocabulary practice. So this is Long Walk to Water, chapter 8 and 9. So you can learn about the different vocabulary. So this picture looks like, I don't know, but here it says boring, repetitive. So I know that's going to be monotonous. Okay. So I can take this as many times as I want. Over here it'll keep track of your progress, and I can see your progress as well. So keep going till you know the vocabulary really well. Okay? Then after this, you're going to see, ta-da, you're finished. So scroll down. It talks about everything you did in class and then the homework. So the homework's going to be an online blue book. Just like you write in your blue book, 20 minutes, 30 minutes, no stopping, this time you're going to type, okay? But that's homework. This is homework for Wednesday, March 18th. So you can do this anytime before Wednesday. So the topic is kind of to talk about how this class went for you online and how things are going for you in general in your life. You're going to come up here and click Submit Assignment. Come in here, type for 20-30 minutes, and when you're done, Submit Assignment. Okay? So that's a really quick overview. As you go through each of the pieces, I have directions for you. Read them carefully. Take time to understand. Don't rush. Don't worry. We're going to figure it out together. Okay? And please, please contact me with any questions. Okay? Good luck.